This thing has shortened my detangling session. I literally want to continue, but I don't have any more hair to detangle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this very viral brush, the unbrush, but this is the dupe, guys. I know it's been a while since it was released, but you know, your girl had to get her hands on it, so I got it and finally I am using it and it's a game changer. So as you can see, this is the dupe. I am showing you how to hold it, which you'll see in the rest of the video, and I'll be partnering it with this Mahogany Organics Live-In. I love this stuff. It smells amazing, it's beautiful, and it's perfect for a pre-poo. And of course my mist bottle that I'm enjoying using, and let's go. So just misting my hair, making sure it's moisturized. I don't do this without having my hair moisturized because no, don't want any breakage. So it's been 3 weeks since I touched my hair. Actually, since I detangled my hair has been in different styles. I wore it out twice and I have not detangled it. So this was going to be a very deep detangle, and so it was a perfect opportunity for me to use this brush. As you can see, my hair is in knots and yeah, not good. So I start from the bottom to the top. As always, guys, always start from the bottom of your hair. It doesn't matter what you're using, your fingers, a white tooth comb, a brush. Start from the bottom and work your way up gently, slowly. Guys, you'll hear this in the rest of the video, but I really did enjoy using this brush. It's been such a godsend. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, on TikTok. This brush has been there for like a year or so, maybe even 2 years, I don't know. But whoa, I am thoroughly impressed. This brush is not available in Kenya, the original unbrush, so I had to get it online. I'll tell you guys later where I got it from, but all links are going to be in the description of everything that I used in this video so you can enjoy yourselves. So this brush, I've been looking for it. If you're in Kenya, you know this brush is not easy to find. Anyway, this is the dupe of the unbrush. As you've been seeing me do my hair, it's good. So I normally finger detangle first, but I'm like, you know what? Let's put this thing to the test because the hype is hyping, you know? So according to what you've seen, do you think it's doing what it should do? Let's do this. So this is the best way I found to hold it. From the video of Mrs. Charity, I think she's called Mrs. Charity Uma. She's the one who inspired me to buy this brush, by the way. Knowing that very well I do not have the unbrush or access to it, but she was using a dupe, so I was like, if the dupe is working for her and her hair is similar to mine and it's much longer, then it's gonna work for me. So I got this. If you're in Kenya, this brush you can get it on Kilimall. Yeah, I didn't see it on Jumia or on any other platform, but on Kilimall you can find this. And thankfully this black one, you know, I just wanted a brush, but I think I'll get another one because my sister is also a natural. She most likely will need her own because we have very thick hair, both of us, so we'll probably get a different color. But for now we got the black one, or I got the black one because it was in the warehouse and I didn't have to wait for long. But the other ones, they have to ship them from abroad, so that's why I got a black one. But it doesn't really matter. The point is it's getting the work done. So as you can see, it's going through my hair pretty well. Please don't be cheated that this is like, it's not a brush that you can just go into your hair when it's so tangled and then you can brush it easily. No, I'm giving you the real rundown because my hair has been tangled for the past 3 weeks. So of course you'll need to brush it many times over. So it's doing good, honestly. It's just that my hand needs to get used to this motion. But yo, my hair feels smooth. I don't think my hair has ever felt this smooth, like ever. But yeah, my hair has never felt this smooth and it doesn't hurt. Like even if you watch Charity's video, I think I'll link it in the description or somewhere up here. In her video, she mentions how it doesn't hurt your scalp. I'm telling you, it even feels good. Like it actually feels good on the scalp. Did you see that? So This video, I've partnered this hair tool with my Mahogany Organics leave-in, the hibiscus range leave-in. It's really nice, honestly, guys. I love this leave-in. As you can see, it's really helping to detangle my hair, and also my hair is very wet. So if you want to give this brush a chance, if you want to give your hair a chance, use products that will add slip to your hair. I'll show you a different angle. I rarely talk in my videos, guys. Tell me if you actually prefer that I talk in my videos or just voice over Christy. I don't know. Anyway, I'm so tired. I have been up and down this past week creating content, traveling. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I think I'll leave it over here. Christy Hannah Life is the handle. So I do some work over there, some hair content. Yeah, if you don't see me here, you'll see me over there or on TikTok. Okay, look at this. It's very smooth. Like, I saw my sister use this thing earlier on. She used it before me, and it was chef's kiss. First instance of using this brush. It's not gonna detangle your hair like completely. Don't be duped by them videos. You need to comb your hair a couple of times, like this. You need to work your way up your hair and still hold your hair. Hold here and just work your way down. So you need to use a good conditioner for this. Probably voiceover Christy has mentioned that, but I've been using the Mahogany Organics products, as you've been seeing. If you haven't, please check out my last video. It was a wash day with the Mahogany Organics Moringa range. Today I'm using the hibiscus leave-in. So this is like me prepping my hair to be washed. Can I say it's a pre-poo? A very simple pre-poo, just to detangle my hair. And yeah, well, my hair feels like cotton candy. As I told you earlier on, my sister used this same brush and she said the same thing. Her hair felt like cotton. I don't know if cotton is the best way to explain it, but as you can see, my hair is very shiny. Look, just look, it's so shiny. I know it has water, but my hair is well hydrated. It's well taken care of with the products I've been using. Yeah, I have no qualms. So if you're in Kenya, please do try it. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but they are running an offer, so I'd run to that. You can also purchase their things online, so that was easy. Now after you've brushed through everything, you can now hold it like this. As you can see, I'm able to hold it like this, and as I'm saying, it's not painful, like, at all. Let me just... If you have kids, let me just say this, if you have kids and you do their hair, get this brush. If you're a new mom and you don't have time to do your hair, get this brush. If you just want to have a very fast wash day or just taking care of your hair, get this brush. So partner this brush with some proper products. You will be golden. You will be golden. So this hibiscus range smells really nice. If you like hibiscus, you will like the scent of this products. They're mild. The whole range, the whole of Mahogany's things are quite mild in scent. So you're not gonna smell like, you know. So if you have kids, it's very kid friendly. So let me just say this video is very kid friendly. The products in this video. I honestly don't like working with my hair when it's dry. That's just not something for me. Supposedly you can use these brushes with dry hair, but you'll not find me there. I don't think I've ever gotten such a deep detangle with my natural hair before, like ever. So this is my first time like seeing my hair properly detangled, like from root to tip. Like this detangle is smooth, like it's smooth. I honestly don't know what the mechanism behind this is, But as you can see, this is the softest part of my hair, so that was so easy. The front, just look at that. So I can see I was influenced well by the social media girlies, which supposedly I'm turning into one. I'm turning into a social media girly. Yes, can I influence you to buy this brush and to buy Mahogany Organics? Yes, I think I can, because my life has become easier. Just look at this. This only has two things. Okay, three. Water, the Mahogany Organics leave-in, the hibiscus, and just this brush. And you can see how beautiful my hair looks. Do it on this side so you guys can see the brush is actually going through my hair. Some people complain that this brush doesn't go through somebody's hair, but it is. Like you can see. Can you see that? You can see? Yeah. It's going through my hair. And y'all can find this on Kilimall if you are in Kenya. Maybe even East Africa. I think that is a very good plug. You can find the Mahogany Organics online. I will leave the details down below. Very enjoyable, honestly. I don't want to stop, but I have to. I have to stop. First one, and then we're done. I call it a day. I can even brush without holding it. Like, where? Let me ask you, where? This hair has broken brushes in its lifetime. I have broken brushes with this hair. My hair feels like butter. My hair feels like butter. It feels like butter. I don't know. It feels like the cuticles are close. I really don't know how to explain it. It just feels like my hair is smooth. Can you see the shine? Can you see the shine? You can see it. You can see how smooth my hair is. Yeah, I've never gotten this with a wide tooth comb. Never. Don't think I ever have. I did this side for my short form content, my vertical content, yeah. So guys, check that out as well. So this is my hair about. It has product, just forgive me. But this too, get yourself this too. This was around 600 bob. This is around 1,000 bob. Both are worth your money. Okay, anyway, see you. My wash day is probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow if I'm not feeling lazy. And yeah, I don't know if I'll film that. Y'all, filming a wash day is hectic, but thankfully the last video before this was a wash day. You're sorted there. So yeah, but my life has changed. Like, I will be happy detangling my hair. This thing has shortened my detangling session. I literally want to continue, but I don't have any more hair to detangle. So bring your heads, I detangle you, or just bite yourself. Anyway, love y'all. See you later. Bye.